up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. Back at it again with my special guest,
Jess. Listen up with Jess.
So we are at a very cute spot in Barcelona, Spain. It's called Vegan Junk Food, and the food, y'all, right now, you already know the pop method is coming, but presentation and plating,
yes.
killing it.
Already.
We're going to go ahead and get into this and give you first impressions and then give you the full review at the end. So you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and keep watching to see what we think of our food. Okay, we're going to try this burger first. Can you see? Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Chicken finger. This is hot.
Oh, look at cheersy. That's the hot. I don't know. These sauces, they're like blue, pink, like.
That's a good chicken tender. That's a good chicken tender.
That's real good.
You get some garlic.
Look at that lemon pepper.
I don't know.
I mean, punch hard.
Calamari.
Do we dip it?
Let's do it. I don't know what it's supposed to taste like, but it's good.
I'm like, I ain't never had calamari, honestly. I had it one time I feel like, and I was trying to experiment. That was good. We need to try shrimp. I like it.
Mm-hmm. All right, y'all, we're about to get into these barbecue wings. They not only look amazing, we're just walking. I wish you could smell through the camera because they smell so good. Like, we're gonna try to be cute, very demure with it. You know what I'm saying? So let me just go ahead and cut a little piece of chicken wing.
Chicken wing.
Yeah. And like, I wish you could see the steam coming off of this thing.
Hot, fresh.
Hot.
Right.
Okay. Cheers.
Now that's what I'm talking about. Wow.
Final thoughts coming soon. Okay, we're back with final thoughts, and as you know, we are going to use the pop method to describe our experience. So the first P, presentation and plating. We were raving about the presentation and plating even before we got into the food.
Yeah.
So I mean, we love edible flowers. Like, come on.
Paradise. That's not like
yes. Paradise is giving a very tropical vibe.
Aesthetic.
Pops of color, not just pops of color. Like, color is intentional in the plating. Like
the sauces, pink,
blue. The burger had a purple. Sauce. A purple sauce. What is it called when they just like they garnish the sauce? Yeah. Decoration, plate aesthetics, all of that. 10. Oh, optics. I mean, can you guys just can you feel the vibe from the video? Because the optics get it. From the moment you even pull up to the spot on the outside, it's just like, wow, we love it in here. And in optics, we also have to talk about customer service.
Top tier. As soon as we walked in.
Yeah. And I love when people want to share, like, oh, everything's good on the menu. And that's great. Everything should be good on the menu.
Right.
But telling us what you really like, also what's really popular. And we got that. And so that helped us decide what it is that we were actually going to get. The last P is price and punch. We haven't got our ticket yet, but we probably spent $40.
Yeah.
Probably $40.
Yeah.
But if you think about it, we got a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
So let's talk about what we got. We got a sampler platter, we got a burger, and then we got another order of
the chicken fingers.
So let's talk about flavor. I'm gonna start with the burgers because that's what we started with.
Okay.
I had an idea of what it was going to taste like based on the type of meat that it was.
Okay.
And it tasted like what I thought. It tasted like what I thought. And for me, I think that's the best. And so, okay, it tastes like what I thought, but it was exciting when I got to the pomegranate and the jalapeno together. Flavor explosion.
I didn't get that excited because I didn't get all of that in my.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay, but I know it had a lot of potential. It was good though, very well seasoned. The bun was interesting. Like it was light. Even though I was tired of eating bread, it was still very light.
You know what? Now that you say that, I agree. It was not as. It wasn't like a thick brioche bun or anything like.
Like you have to do all.
So I think what she was trying to say wasn't a baguette.
Right. Yes.
And then on the platter, we had some smiley potatoes, which were more like a potato pancake in a shape. Because it was dense. It was dense. And then there was the chicken tenders.
The chicken
star of
tenders.
the show.
We had fried calamari.
Yes. Oh, and we had shrimp.
Shrimp.
And I just love the texture of vegan shrimp.
Me
It's
too.
So cute.
I do too.
A little chewy. And then there was some kind of fried dough ball. I'm not sure what that was. So we tried all of that too. This is what I will say about the platter. It's a lot of fried food.
Yes,
So
a lot.
If that's not your vibe, not your jam, then you probably won't enjoy that as much. For us, we wanted to try a sampler, so we got a sampler. And because, they could tell that we were tearing up these chicken tenders.
Yeah, they could tell.
So our wonderful server was like, let me elevate your chicken tender eating experience.
Yes.
And then brought out the barbecue ones that you saw. And y'all.
Like, wow, perfection.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We full now.
Yes. So if you are in Barcelona, you gotta come to this location. It's Vegan Junk Food Bar.
Yes.
And it is really good, really cute. Overall, it gets the Sister Girl Tuesday poppin'. Anything else you want to add?
No, it was delicioso.
Okay.
Cheers.
You already know. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.